Let us talk about soles. Handmade felt is always thicker than leather or rubber, and the thickness can be slightly different inside the same boot. Imagine what happened if I buy an industrial sole according to my normal shoe size. One we use for buying shoes, and then adjust the felted boot to this sole. Such a shoe will be too small for my foot because of the felt thickness. Moreover, it will be very difficult to fit the felted boot in the industrial sole because of the natural irregularities of the felt. How to solve this problem? In fact, there is a great sole disputer in the crafter community. One solution is to use custom-made soles. You can order special individual soles for your one-of-a-kind felted boots or cut soles from special rubber sheeting yourself. Such soles will fit your boots perfectly. I have developed another strategy which allows me to use industrial-made soles. Thus, I save time and money and have a big choice of soles. Many of my students who are professional crafters are also using industrial soles. My method has been used for years by my students and customers. I will share my method with you today. Of course, you can also try to order and to attach a custom-made sole. They are pretty expensive, but you can look very stylish. I encourage you to give me feedback and share with me the list of materials used. The main rules are the sole should be bigger than the foot size, and also that I apply one more shaping step after having attached the sole. I must use two different types of soles: PU, polyurethane, and TPR, thermoplastic rubber. Here is the first, the PU one. I like the shape. High edges and rubber toes make the felt boot suitable for wet conditions. I use a sole which is approximately 1.5 cm bigger than the regular shoe size. I take two thickness of the felt and add this measurement. 0.75 2 times equals 1.5 centimeters.